my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Indian English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, Lexi's Smart Grammar, Lesson 13 and 14 reading. So, my dear students, let's see our today's class. Class Junior 1, Subject English, Topic Lexi's Grammar, Lesson 13-14 reading, Term Annual, Lecture 15, No SW today, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, please open your this book, Lexi's Smart Grammar, Primer, 3rd edition, and go to Lesson 13 in your books. Page number 78. Okay, you can see describing words. So describing words tell us something more about a noun. A describing word is also called an adjective. So what is an adjective? What is a describing words? Describing words that tell us something more about a noun. A describing word is also called an adjective. This must be an adjective. Okay. A windy day. How is the day windy? So windy is a describing words, adjective. A red crab. So how is the crab? Red, adjective, describing words. A busy street. How is the street? Busy. Busy, adjective or describing words. We're moving to page number 79 in a book. His handwriting is neat. Neat is a describing word. A skillful juggler. Skillful, adjective. A tasty lollipop. How is the lollipop? Tasty. A beautiful dress. Dress, how is the dress? Beautiful, describing words. A cute squirrel. How is the squirrel? Cute, adjective. We are moving to next page, my dear students. Page number 80, worksheet. Choose a suitable word from the box to describe each picture. Green, fat, sharp, ugly, red, angry. So, an dash boy, an angry boy. The picture shows some red cherries, a green apple, a flat elephant. Number 5, a sharp knife, an ugly witch. We are going to next page. Circle the adjectives in each sentence. So, we can circle the adjectives in each sentence. A crow has black feathers. So, a crow has black feathers. Circle the adjective, black. The coconut tree is very tall. Tall here is adjective. These grapes are sour. Sour here is adjective. Ants are hardworking insects. Hardworking, adjective. We have got a new car, new adjective. They live in a large house, large here is an adjective. Okay, we're moving to next page. Lesson 14, page number 82. So, action words. Action words are doing words, they are also called verbs. They tell you what people, animals or things are doing. Shout, shouting. Eat, swim, action verbs, words. Aim, quack, burst, jump, print, fly. They are all verbs and they are called action words. Next page, page numbers 83. Wash, bake, cook, hug, paint, wave. So, again last page number 84, there is a worksheet. Some words, swim, cry, climb, read, draw, fly. Choose the correct verbs from the box for each picture. So, this is read, climb, fly, swim. In the picture you can see cry, the baby is crying, draw something. Okay, my dear students, so that's all for today, my dear students. So keep practicing at home, have a good parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.